Inclusion, diversity, equality. We all use these words. We try to cultivate positively to create such cultures. But it all becomes a facade. Our efforts are superficial. The problem is way bigger than just a bunch of words, events, and campaigns. The real issue is in the very core of our psychology. Our consciousness is stiff. It is not fluid enough to adapt to the new, to accept difference. Therefore, our tolerance is pseudo. It's more like a lip service we pay to appear good. But deep down, we are the same, enslaved by our own shadows, by the grip of our egos. Do I have a solution? Well, not an intellectual one. It seems all concepts and ideas stay in the mind, never sink deep enough to reach the heart. This is why I have no typical solution, but more like a dissolution. Music is a great way to forget yourself totally and dissolve into higher dimensions, beyond all dualities. I want my music to be that thin ray of light that penetrates the darkness of the valleys, illuminates and liberates from all distinctions. That's why I called this EP Satorii, an ancient word that indicates a moment of awakening, the climax of insight, an utter understanding. Once we are able to love and understand ourselves, we are able to understand everyone else, because we're all made of the same stuff, different shapes and colors, but all coming from one source of energy. I'm not saying I'm a savior or anything. I'm just one of many who can make a difference and create a better milieu if I receive support and join forces with the ones who love and appreciate life and creation. Otherwise, we will keep going downhill. All our inventions and technological advancement will be meaningless if we keep forgetting the intrinsic value of being human. If we lose the essence of who we are, our life will then be, as Shakespeare said, a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. I hope that the real message will reach through my music, or at least become a reminder and one step forward to create a world full of music, joy, and unity, away from everything that is destructive. At the end of the day, it's either about love and creativity, or fear and destructiveness. Let us choose wisely what's best for us and the generations to come.